On average, people pay $40 to $50 per month for a gym membership. Ditch the hefty fee and get your sweat on for less at home. Here are 5 inexpensive workout accessories.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
Elite sports exercise sliders build your core, arms, and legs through a variety of low-impact workouts. The small discs fit under your feet for an exercise you can do anywhere. Do your best risky business impression to build muscles for $10. A Pilates ring creates longer and leaner muscles by using resistance. Your abs, thighs, legs, and arms will feel the padded product instantly with one push. Use the inside and outside of the ring for double the exercise for $22. A workout bar turns every doorway into an exercise station. The product installs in seconds and is perfect for pull-ups, push-ups, chin-ups, dips, and crunches. Use all 3 grips to target every muscle for $27. Resistance bands add an intense flair to every routine. The bands come in extra light to heavy and can be used to deepen your stretches. Squat it low and build up your legs for $10. A jump rope isn't just for the playground. It's a great cardio warm-up that burns calories and builds strength. Customize your lightweight rope and get to skipping for $12. With these products in your home, you'll never have an excuse to skip a workout again.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.